YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. Yes, if today is the first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. Okay, so today we're going to be learning one of the most popular Yoruba nursery rhymes that we used to sing when we were so little, and we normally enjoy playing, and singing that song, right? Okay, so I'm gonna try my utmost best to teach you today. So let's hope you get it right, okay? It is called Abe Igi Orombo. Okay, Abe means under. Igi, I do not need to tell you what Igi is, you know. And if you do not know, go back to your Yoruba alphabet and see what Igi, what letter stands for Igi, okay? Orombo means lemon, okay? So under Igi, lemon, okay? You have to figure that out yourself. I'm not telling you what Igi is because okay? But before we go into that today, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba, as you know, okay? On the count of meta, okay? By now you should know what that is. If you know 1 to 50, I'm sure you know what meta is, okay? So on the count of enio, ejio, eta, oya, ekaro, ekaso, ekale. Aku dédé àsìkò níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Ní ti tòní tẹ́ bá rántí orin wa tá máa kọ Abe Igi Orombo. Okay, ó ní mo máa kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi lónìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, máa gbìyànjú láti kọ́ wọn ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àmọ́ nǹkan wọn ní ti Yorùbá. Ẹ máa bá wa kà lọ. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be learning Abe Igi Orombo, okay, and it goes like this, okay. I'm still going to teach you line by line, but let me just sing it through. It's like this. Abe Igi Orombo, Ibẹ̀ la gbé ṣeré wa, inú wa dùn, ara wa yá. Abe Igi Orombo. Easy, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, so it goes Abe Igi Orombo. Repeat it. Abe Igi Orombo. Abe Igi Orombo. Orombo. Well done. Okay, the next one goes Ibẹ̀ la gbé, Ibẹ̀ la gbé. Yes? Okay. Ibẹ̀ la gbé. That's good. Ṣeré wa. Yes? Okay. Ibẹ̀ la gbé ṣeré wa. Okay, let's take it again from the beginning. Abe Igi Orombo, Ibẹ̀ la gbé ṣeré wa. Yes? We take it again. Abe Igi Orombo, under the lemon. That is where we always play. Okay? That is where we always play. That's why we gather together to play. Okay? Abe Igi Orombo, Ibẹ̀ la gbé ṣeré wa. Okay? Inú wa dùn, inú wa dùn, inú wa dùn. Yes? Yes, that is perfect. So we're going to take it again from the beginning. Abe Igi Orombo, Ibẹ̀ la gbé ṣeré wa. Inú wa dùn, inú wa dùn. And the next line, the fourth one is ara wa yá. Yes, we are excited. Okay, we are happy and we are excited. Okay, Inu wadu, we are happy. Arawaya, we're excited. Okay, so let's take it in from the beginning. Abe igi orombo, ibelangbe sherewa. Inu wadu, arawaya. Yes, labe igi orombo. And that is it. Okay, it's that simple. It's only 5 lines. Okay, but let's take it again from the top. Okay, abe igi orombo, ibelangbe sherewa. Inu wadu, ara waya. Abe igi orombo. Yes, did you get that? So it just means that under the lemon dash, which I told you to go and find out what igi is, I'm not telling you. Okay, so under the lemon dash, that is where we always gather to play. We are so happy and we are so excited under the lemon, okay? Under the dash lemon, okay? And that is that song. It's that easy, okay? So I'm gonna come back next week and I hope you know it very well, okay? Abe igi orombo, ibelagbe sherewa, inu wadu arawaya, abe igi orombo. Yes! All right, then on the count of 3, we're gonna be going for our old double. On the count of